Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home lighting solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce you to what we believe is one of the best hall light fixtures on the market, the hykolity 10-inch flush mount LED ceiling light fixture. If you're looking to elevate your home's lighting while ensuring efficiency and style, you've come to the right place. This stunning light fixture boasts a modern, low-profile design that seamlessly blends with any decor. Measuring just 10 inches in diameter, it fits perfectly in hallways, kitchens, bathrooms, and even closets, providing ample light without taking up too much space. The oil-rubbed bronze finish adds a touch of elegance, ensuring that it will remain a stylish addition to your home for years to come. Now, let's dive into the standout features of this fixture. One of the key highlights is its color-changing temperature functionality. With 5 selectable color temperatures, ranging from a cozy 2700K to a bright 5000K, you can easily customize the ambiance of your space. Whether you prefer a warm, inviting glow for relaxing evenings or a brighter light for tasks, this fixture has you covered. Adjusting the color temperature is a breeze. Just use the switch to cycle through the options until you find the perfect setting for your mood. And for those who love dimmable lighting, this fixture is compatible with triac dimmers, allowing you to set the intensity of the light to your liking. Another impressive feature is energy efficiency. This light fixture consumes only 17 watts while providing an astonishing 1100 lumens of brightness. That's an energy saving of up to 80% compared to traditional 120-watt incandescent bulbs. Not only will you reduce your electricity bills, but you'll also be making a more environmentally friendly choice by opting for LED technology. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. The flush mount design means that it sits snugly against your ceiling, making it ideal for low ceilings and tight spaces. You won't have to worry about it obstructing doorways or creating any awkward shadows. The hykolity flush mount LED ceiling light is perfect for a variety of applications. Whether you need bright lighting for your kitchen, cozy illumination for your living room, or a stylish fixture for your hallway, this light does it all. Plus, its sleek modern design will complement any decor style, from contemporary to traditional. To sum it up, if you're in the market for an efficient, stylish, and versatile lighting solution, the hykolity 10-inch flush mount LED ceiling light fixture is a fantastic choice. With its adjustable color temperatures, energy-saving features, and easy installation, it's hard to find a better option for your home. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're interested in enhancing your home lighting, be sure to check out the hykolity flush mount LED ceiling light fixture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. See you in the next video.